Let's make spaghetti aglio, olio e peperoncino, one of the most iconic pasta dishes in the world. This is a garlic and chili pasta you can whip up in just 10 minutes. In Italy they say your pasta water should be as salty as the sea. A good rule of thumb is 10 grams or 0.35 ounces of salt per 1 liter or 35 ounces of pasta water and 100 grams or 3.5 ounces of dry pasta. Make sure to use a type of pasta that takes at least 10 minutes to cook, because that's exactly how long we'll need to prepare the infused olive oil. Don't just grab any olive oil, make sure it says extra virgin on the label. That's the highest quality and gives the best flavor. Pour it into a cold pan and set your stove on the lowest heat. Finally, chop 1 to 2 cloves of garlic. The finer you chop it, the stronger the flavor. Do you love garlic? Add more. Just maybe stay at home afterward. Not a huge fan of strong garlic? Just lightly crush it and toss it into the pan with the skin on. Chop up 2, 3 or even 4 fresh chilies, however spicy you like it. I'm using both fresh and dried chilies here. The fresh ones bring fruity heat, while the dried ones give that deep rich flavor, almost like a savory umami note, similar to tomatoes, mushrooms or soy sauce. Let everything slowly sizzle on the lowest heat, and don't forget to stir now and then. If the garlic burns, it'll turn bitter, and we don't want that. A little chopped parsley now adds a fresh touch. Originally, this was a traditional country-style recipe back then. People cooked with whatever was left in the pantry. Just a few ingredients, but full of flavor. If you're enjoying this recipe and want to dive deeper into Italian cooking, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell. Thanks for the support! Alright, once the pasta is al dente, that means about 2 to 3 minutes before the package says it's done, toss it straight into the pan. Add a bit of pasta water too. The starch in the water combines with the olive oil to create a silky emulsion that coats the pasta perfectly. To make that happen, toss everything in the pan. Or if tossing's not your thing, just grab some tongs and give it a good stir. That works too. Top it off with a little more fresh parsley and some chili flakes. And all you need now is a fork to eat. If you're in a mood for a really good homemade pizza next time, I've got a full recipe for you right here. Buon appetito!